Isn't it important to visualize the risks attached to AI that are not just hypothetical concepts? Well, in this case, AI has created tools like deepfakes, which are helpful, but at the same time, harmful to society. So what do we do? Should we stop it before things get worse? Let's see how far the misuse of AI deepfakes have gone, and if it will continue in the future. People worldwide have already been skeptical of artificial intelligence growing so fast that someday it will outstand human power. They are not wrong when we unleash the dark side of AI. It's pretty alarming. The dark side of generative artificial intelligence. First, we need to understand what generative AI is. It is a type of machine learning, ML, in which a neural network is trained on a large dataset of existing content. Once trained, the network can generate new content that is pretty similar in style and tone to the original data. It makes sure the content is more realistic. Nevertheless, this technology has a wide range of applications, including the creation of new product designs and realistic virtual environments. But let's not forget, there is a significant risk of misapplication. Generative AI can be used to create indistinguishable fake news stories, social media posts, and even deepfake videos. Even more troubling is the use of generative AI in creating deepfake videos. Deepfakes are videos manipulated to appear as if someone said or did something they did not say or do. This technology can potentially create convincing fake videos of politicians, celebrities, or anyone else, as well as spread misinformation and manipulate public opinion. Before we proceed to Pope Francis and his stylish photos circulating on social media, don't forget to like and subscribe. Recently, an image of Pope Francis, the leader of the Catholic Church, wearing a long white puffer jacket has gone viral on the internet. You must have seen it. Many people have complimented the 86-year-old pontiff on his fashionable attire. But the thing is that the images above were created by the artificial intelligence Midjourney, which generates images based on text prompts, and were shared on Reddit on March 24th by an artist known as Trippy Art Special. The user's account has since been suspended, but it was too late. Another example is images of former US President Donald Trump being arrested, also created by Midjourney, which went viral. For several years, we've been dealing with the threat of deep-faked images of people's faces produced by earlier generations of AI. So this is not new. Legal issues. Initially, deepfakes were only about famous celebrities. However, even ordinary people like you and me can create their own deepfake content today. Problems such as manipulating the public, attacks on personal rights, violations of intellectual property rights, and personal data protection are becoming more common. Legislators and big tech are looking for a viable solution to the growing problem of deepfakes. In December 2019, the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, released a draft regarding intellectual property policy and artificial intelligence. Including intellectual property rights, the draft raises concerns about deepfake content. According to WIPO, deepfakes may cause more serious problems than copyright infringements, such as violations of human rights, privacy rights, personal data protection rights, and so on. According to WIPO, the main concern is whether copyright should even be granted to deepfake imagery rather than who owns the copyright in a deepfake. However, WIPO later stated that if the deepfake contents completely contradict the victim's life, they should not be protected by copyright. A wise decision. Today, both states and big techs are taking action to combat the issue of deepfakes. Big techs, for example, create tools to detect deepfake content challenges. Virginia, Texas, and California are the first states in the United States to enact legislation to combat legal issues related to deepfakes. The distribution of non-consensual deepfake pornography is punishable by law in Virginia. In contrast, the creation and distribution of deepfake videos intended to harm candidates for public office or influence elections are prohibited in Texas. Usefulness of deepfakes. Despite the risk of abuse, generative AI is an extremely powerful tool that can be used for good. This technology has a vast range of applications, from entertainment to security. The deepfakes we know of today have evolved by generative adversarial networks, invented in 2014 by Ian Goodfellow. Artificial intelligence, especially deep learning, plays a vital role in developing deepfake technology. Now it is not something so out of the blue since celebrities got their hands on it. Tom Cruise and Keanu Reeves are out there confusing their fans. Deepfake technology is helping to automate the process of creating realistic-looking photos and videos. This means that content creators can now create more complex and exciting visuals with less effort than ever before. Now content creators can focus on the creative aspects of their work while leaving the tedious task of generating content to deepfake technology. It is also used in education, where professors can show deepfake videos of historical speeches or scientific discoveries to help students understand historical and scientific concepts in depth. It can also be used to raise awareness. For example, the football player David Beckham has spoken in up to 9 different languages to vocalize awareness about malaria and how it can be controlled. All through AI, the future of generative AI. One possible solution to the misuse of deepfakes is to develop AI systems capable of detecting and flagging fake news content. Social media platforms and news organizations could use this technology to quickly identify and remove fake news stories and social media posts before they spread. Another option is to create tools that can detect deep fake videos, which could involve using artificial intelligence to analyze video content and identify any discrepancies or anomalies that indicate that the video has been manipulated. While this technology is still in its developing stages, it has the potential to be a valuable tool in the fight against fake news. We believe that in the future, as more nuanced and detailed data becomes available, operating algorithms will become smarter and more effective. Fraud detection will become more precise and less ambiguous as a result of this. Highly sophisticated AI systems will eliminate different types of fraud, including deepfakes. Because AI algorithms will evolve to not only explain the fraud detection process, they will generate new paradigms in fraud detection. So we can see how deepfakes are becoming a great concern for people. So what do you think the future holds for deepfake AI? Will it get banned, or will it continue to evolve? Let us know in the comments section below. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Like and subscribe.